Hi, my name is Raghuvir Joshi. I'm Head of Business Development and Services. I'm from Dynamic Servitech Pvt Limited. Welcome to TLC exhibition. This is E-dash. This actually indicates the load on the EOT crane. This will reduce the accidents at the plant and factory which is happening because of the overloads. This is a tilt sensor by and large. When the pulley is crossly lifted, then this will show you the wrong angle. This will be the unit of controller and the load cell along with the wiring and the display. And this is a sensor for the inclinometer. And this is mounted on the dead end of the wire rope. Mainly access platform, we provide and sell JCB, scissor lift and boom lift to the plant and factory and rental industries. Mainly customer is acknowledging us because of we have an indigenous India-made product for the crane industry. And we have R&D department where we can do the customization of the product where we can meet the customer specific requirement. We are the dealer for the made in India product, that is JCB, which is manufactured in India.